Say good morning, YouTube. Say it's Alex here. Alex, are you having a good morning? Oh, okay. Can I have this? Oh. Oh. Here. Tell everybody how late you slept in again today. I slept until 9:30. Yep. You're so funny. You're Sophie. Say run, Sophie, run. She's like, Mom, help me. Mom, the baby's trying to get me. Hi, my name is Alex, and I just woke up from my nap. I tried to eat lunch, but I only ate about 2 bites. And now I'm very angry. Oh. What's the matter, buddy? Can you say tantrum? Okay. Alex, what did Mom do to you? Alex. Does anyone else do that with these things to their children? Stick them to their face. I'm ready to go out for dinner for Taco Tuesday. And they had some little dum-dum suckers by the free popcorn. So Alex is having his first sucker. Alex, what flavor do you have? Bubblegum. Thank you. Alex, did you eat your whole grilled cheese? Ketchup. Do you guys think of something? Okay, by the way, you are missing. Yeah, okay. You playing with a doggy toy? Hi. Let me see. Let me see. Sophie! Sophie! Go get it! There goes Sophie! Get it! Go get it, Soph! Run, 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 run! Oh, Alex is gonna get it. What's the matter? You wanna play no more? Has Alex stole your toy? Huh? She's like, what's the toy? She's like, leave me alone. Hi, puppy. Oh, he's so pretty. Hi. Hi, Sophie. Hello. Oh. Ah. Oh my goodness. Hi, Rolf. Sophie's like, help me. Keep me away from the beast. I love you. Kiss. Thank you. Alex, you riding tractor? Hi. Drive it. He's like, make it go.
There's a moment that happens in music where you go, oh my God, I'm getting the chills. And we didn't have that tonight. And it is the semifinals, and it is a big moment for you. And we didn't find that. And I think Howie's right. If your vocals get thin, you need that sense of harmony, something big to happen. Heidi.
Well, I have to be honest, tonight I did see your limitations. You know, this song's range maybe wasn't for you because on the high note you kind of dropped out and the bands kicked in, and I want to hear you and I want to hear you hit that high note, and I didn't hear that today. And it's really a shame because I really like you guys.
All right, well, Mel B.
Well, there's two things. First of all, I think that song was completely the wrong choice. But having said that, I've always loved you guys. I love what you bring. I love your vibe. You don't need a big moment. You're a groove band, and I like what you bring to the table. Just choose the song for you.
All right, well, you guys put a bluegrass twist on a hot popular song right now. What made you choose that?
It's like you said, it's a huge song right now, and it's very popular, and it's one that you would never expect a bluegrass band to cover. So,
Oh, great job, and good luck tonight. Do you want to see these guys in the finals? Then you got to vote for them. If you're online, go to NBC.com, and if you're voting by phone,
I see my climbing monkey son. He's crazy.
and call our toll-free
Dan?
How'd you get up here?
Get to it.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
How'd you get up here? I'm not helping you.
this is the semifinals, and really what I like the most of my chance on that stage.
Mother Nature can turn in an instant. Don't turn back. Introducing the new 2016 Ford Explorer. Be unstoppable.
Hey, it's time for Alex to go to bed, YouTube. He wants to say goodnight. He's too busy drinking a bottle. Alright, well, I'll say goodnight. Oh, almost. Say bye-bye. Oh, too busy. Okay, well, I'll say goodbye and goodnight. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.